Introduction. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most powerful psychological secrets that, when mastered, can make someone chase you desperately. I'm talking about the kind of dynamic that flips the script, where you're no longer chasing, but instead, they're coming after you. This secret isn't for the faint-hearted, but if you're serious about changing the game, you're in the right place. So, let's get into it. Step 1. Stop chasing. Start pulling back. Let's face it, right now, you might be in a situation where you're chasing someone who's barely acknowledging your efforts. You're constantly texting, checking your phone, hoping for some sign that they're thinking about you. But the more you reach out, the more they pull away. It's like trying to catch a butterfly. Chase it, and it slips away. Here's the key: stop chasing. Instead, pull back completely. Withdraw your energy and attention. This sudden absence will make them feel the sting of your departure. You're not just going silent, you're shifting the dynamic. They'll start wondering why you're no longer there, and that curiosity will begin to draw them in. Step 2. Silence is your power. Silence is one of the most powerful tools you can wield. But it's not just about disappearing or playing hard to get. It's about making your silence speak volumes. You don't have to explain yourself, give long responses, or try to win them back with words. Instead, keep your answers short, simple, and impersonal. When they try to reach out, don't dive into a full conversation. Just say something like, "I've been busy with other things," and leave it at that. This creates space, a mystery they can't solve. When you don't give them the satisfaction of knowing exactly what's going on in your life, they start overthinking. They'll wonder where you are, what you're doing, and why you're not available. That's where the magic lies. The more you withhold, the more they'll crave answers. Step 3. The psychological mirror. Here's where things get interesting. This step involves reflecting back the emotional energy they gave you. If they distance themselves from you, now it's your turn to mirror that distance. Live your life confidently and unbothered. They'll start to see you through a different lens, a version of you who's no longer emotionally dependent on them. It's not about ignoring them, it's about being actively unavailable. They'll begin to question themselves. Why are they acting this way? What happened? It's the psychological mirror. When you become the person they once neglected, it stings. They'll feel the absence of the connection they once had, and that discomfort will make them want it back. Step 4. Use social media strategically. Social media is a powerful tool, but most people use it recklessly. If you want to create an air of mystery, your social media presence needs to be strategic. Instead of posting every little detail of your life, share only selective glimpses. Maybe a photo of an exciting event, a shot of you with friends, or an image of something new you're working on. Don't overexpose yourself. Keep things just out of reach. Let them see a puzzle that they can't fully solve. You're not posting endless selfies or status updates, but you're creating a presence that leaves them wanting more. This piques their curiosity and makes them wonder what's going on in their life. The less they know, the more they'll want to know. Step 5. Build your success. Here's one of the most powerful steps. Build success for yourself. This isn't about bragging or trying to show them up. It's about investing in yourself and your personal growth. Focus on your goals, take on new challenges, and become the best version of yourself. Let them hear through mutual friends or social media about your achievements. They'll start seeing you evolve into someone they regret letting go of. When they realize that you're out there thriving without them, it's a hard pill to swallow. Success, in this case, becomes the best form of revenge. As you achieve more, you send a subtle but powerful message. I'm moving forward, and you're not part of that journey anymore. That feeling of being excluded from your success will haunt them. Step 6. The reconstructed persona. This is where the transformation becomes visible. You're not just playing the game anymore, you're becoming someone new. The person who was once emotionally available, eager for their attention, has now evolved. You've stepped into a stronger, more magnetic version of yourself. Embrace this transformation. Take the time to grow and improve in all areas of your life, whether it's health, career, or personal development. Let them see the new you, the one who doesn't need their validation. The person they once knew is no longer accessible or interested in their half-hearted affection. When they catch a glimpse of this new, unrecognizable version of you, they'll wonder what happened. They'll regret not seeing your value sooner. It's a transformation that speaks for itself. Step 7. Set emotional boundaries. The final and most crucial step is setting emotional boundaries. They'll likely reach out again, testing the waters, trying to re-enter your life. But this time, you're not the same person they left behind. You've built emotional walls that they can't break through. Don't respond to their messages the way you used to. Don't try to explain yourself or give them access to your emotions. Let them feel the finality of your transformation. The door is closed. You've moved on. This boundary is your final lesson to them. You deserve respect, and you're not available for someone who doesn't value you. They'll feel that rejection deeply, and that, more than anything else, will make them realize they've lost someone irreplaceable. Conclusion. There you have it. 7 steps to make someone chase you by flipping the power dynamic. Remember, this isn't about playing games or manipulating anyone. It's about transforming yourself into a higher value version of you, someone who is strong, independent, and emotionally unavailable to those who take you for granted. When you master these steps, you'll attract attention, but not because you're desperate for it. You'll attract it because you've become someone irresistible, someone they can't help but chase. So if you're ready to take back your power and turn the tables, follow these steps and let them see the version of you they never expected. Let them wonder what happened to the person they once took for granted. And most importantly, let them chase you.